Assalamu alaikum. I am Sayyid Muhammad Riazullah. Today I will talk about learning a new language. Of course, learning a new language is very interesting, and it also provides a new way to think, to know about new people, new culture, new activities, and of course it is a tools to transform new knowledge. In a country where you live, perhaps you see same kind of people, but you go abroad, then you will have an experience to meet a lot of people that may look change the way they live and the way that you live. But learning a new language always give you more information and knowledge about the new people, new culture and activities and their lifestyles. A new language has also a very positive impact in your mind. You become more positive persons, your personality become more positive, you become less reluctant towards people, and you communicate well. Basically it broadens your mind, and you become more acceptable rather than rejectable. So always it is very amazing, interesting to learn a new language, and this is a time to become a bilingual, polylingual, and of course nowadays the world become a global village, so we should learn a new language. In the next video I will talk about how to learn a new language, many tips, and always also talk about how to learn a German language and a French language. Okay, Allah Hafiz.